Hello Lux family, it's Jay. I hope everyone is doing okay. Literally, this heat is killing me. Where's the rain when you need it? I'm sweating and I'm not even moving. If you're loving my videos, please remember to hit the subscribe button. It's free and quick. Today, on this lovely Sunday, I got a lovely short review just for you lot. And of course, it's the LV passport holders. Hit the like button or comment down below if you've already got a passport holder or you're planning to get one. And if you're planning to get one, in which canvas are you getting it? So you think one passport holder will be enough? No. I actually got two. Because sometimes we need that kind of choice in life. And I couldn't make my mind up. I couldn't decide. So I thought, why not just get both of them? I've got one in the Monogram and one in the Monogram Eclipse. Let's have a quick close-up of the Monogram passport holder. So here it is, the lovely Monogram passport holder. I'm just going to open it up because the inside is really beautiful. As you can see, I still got the tags in here. You've got 4 card slots just over here, and then you've got one massive slot here and over here. So that, you could put your passport in there or your tickets when you're traveling. You've got a little card slot just over here where you can put your empty receipts in, or maybe some notes if you want to. Looking at this passport holder, you can see how thin it is, and it's also really bendable. It can fit nicely in your pocket and you wouldn't even really know it is there. The glazing on this passport cover is actually really thin, so I do feel like if you're going to use this as a wallet, it will actually rub off quite quickly. The stitching on the passport as well is really nice and neat. It's really clean cut and it's just really nice. It's a simple design but really eye-catching. Personally, this is a really beautiful piece from Louis Vuitton themselves. I'm going to give you a quick close-up of the Louis Vuitton Monogram Eclipse passport holder as well. This is the Monogram Eclipse one. It's actually really nice. I've just literally fallen in love with the Monogram Eclipse and I couldn't just decide which one I wanted. So I ended up getting both of them. This is the inside of the Monogram Eclipse passport holder. It is literally the same as the Monogram one, but just obviously in a black, whereas the other one was brown inside. You've got the same slots as well here, 4 card holders, and then you've got the one extra one in here. This one, if you can see, it's made in France, as well as the other one as well. I feel like the canvas on this one is a bit more sturdy and is a bit more like shaped nicely. I'm not sure. I will actually show you the Monogram Eclipse one side by side and you're able to see. The stitching on this is really nice as well. Nice and neat and also clean cut. I'm going to show the Lux family side by side of what they look like next to each other. So that is both of them side by side. Now, when I turn it on the back, you're able to see one is actually like really thinner than the other. This one's got a bit more plump? Well, it's a bit more plumpy, I should say. Whereas this one lays a bit more flat. I haven't used them as much as I thought I would, but I did maybe use this one twice. Maybe with wear, this one will slightly go down, but I do feel like the canvas touching them, that the Monogram Eclipse is actually more thicker than the actual monogram itself. This is the inside as well, just in case everyone's wondering what the insides both look like against each other. The Monogram Eclipse is fully black. The actual monogram itself is actually really lighter. I do prefer the inside of this. It just looks a lot more nicer than the Monogram Eclipse, but I mean, you decide. Let me know which one you prefer, the Monogram Eclipse or the Monogram passport cover. Personally, I really love these Louis Vuitton passport holders. They're really affordable. I paid around £230 for my ones. Not only can you use it as a passport holder, you can clearly see you can use it as a wallet as well. Most Louis Vuitton products, and I keep saying this over and over again in my videos, you can use them for different things. Just because it's a toiletry pouch does not mean you can use it as a toiletry pouch. Just because it's a card holder doesn't mean you can use it just for cards. You can use it for your change, your coins and whatnot, snacks, as you've seen in my previous videos. I do realise that they are big to carry in the pocket, but I mean, for people who wear man bags, you can simply just put it in there and you can just carry them around. And also, if you love backpacks like I do, you can also put them in your backpacks as well. Now, one thing Louis Vuitton does do is customization on these passport holders. You can get your name on it, you can get stuff printed on there. So if you go onto their website, and I'll put the link down in the description below, you're able to see which ones you can customize and what you can put on there. Now personally, I don't really get a lot of my items hot stamped or usually customized, only because when it comes to selling them on, it's a lot harder than it is. When you're trying to sell the items, not everyone wants an item with a hot stamp on there, and there are pictures out there where people have removed the hot stamps, but you can clearly see the indentation marks on there. So once again, the price I did pay for these were £230. I want to touch lightly on the wear and tear of these items. I just feel like the glazing will need to be looked after, only because it's a really thin one across the passport holder. That would be something, if you're using it as a wallet, to just keep an eye out. Now, I don't see a lot of cracking on there, only because the way the passport cover is actually bended, it's got quite a big loop inside, so the backbone of the actual passport passport holder is nice and secure, and it doesn't look like, let me just get it for you lot. It actually looks like this bit here, it won't crack because the loop here is actually really big. When you open it, it doesn't really make much difference. One thing on that, I think we'll be okay with the cracking on the actual canvas itself, but just the glazing over here you'll need to look after. Another thing, like I said in the video earlier, the canvas is actually really thin on the Monogram. The Monogram Eclipse seems like it's a lot thicker and a lot sturdier than what the actual Monogram one is. On the inside of the passport holders, I don't think there'll be a lot of damage on them, only because you got minimal cards over here and you got one big slot there, so when you're actually closing it, it won't actually touch it against each other. So I do get a lot of questions about the sizing of the passport holders, so let me give it to you lot. It's 4 inches across, it's 5.5 inches on the height, and it's just under an inch on the actual width itself. So there you have it, the Louis Vuitton Monogram and Monogram Eclipse passport holders. I hope you loved the comparison, I hope you loved the review, and I hope you loved me talking. So if you loved this short video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and for all them people coming after me, girl please, I make light-hearted fun videos. Remember, life's too short to be playing. Hit the bell, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, it means a lot. Stay safe, peace.